Guys, it's Banner here. Today I'm gonna show you how to get the IMSI menu on your old Samsung keypad phone. So this will not work with phones made after 2012, like some Galaxy device or models with GTE 1190 or GTE 1200. So what you're gonna do is get any SIM card, even not activated ones. Use a old Team Italy SIM card. Then after you insert the SIM card, turn the phone on. Great. Now after the phone turns on, you're gonna insert this code. Star ash 0206 star 3 378 ash. Then go to sim info and then scroll down until you see IMSI. There you go. You got the IMSI menu. So if this is useful, subscribe to me if you want. And if it's not useful, you can just like or just comment if you want. So bye.